Hi guys, my name is Bianca De Vera and these are 5 things I can't live without that are inside my bag. Sobrang random lang nito guys ha. Number 1, my cap. This one is my favorite. It's also my favorite because it was Ate Julie who gave this to me, so it's very, very special to me. So this is the first one. Number 2, medyo marami-rami ang lamban. Number 2, I have this small little pouch. And then inside are sentimental things that people that I love from the outside world have given to me. Oh, taray. Beautiful rosary. This one is from my grandma. Binigay nito sa akin during our last dinner bago ako pumunta dito. A pendant from Direct May Cruz LVR. Yung nag-taping kami. Next naman is, of course, my wallet. Inside, wala akong cash. Walang cash yan. Fun fact din about me, hindi ako mahilig mag-cash. I think that's actually a bad trait. So, kailangan lagi na ako mag-withdraw. We have my book. This is Little Women right now. This is what I'm reading. Kasi minsan, diba, when I like to relax or when I like to unwind, syempre, magpapaka-bookworm talaga tayo para medyo mysterious din talaga. Okay, last na, no? Last is my toiletry bag. So, dito usually, I have like my oil film, my toothbrush, toothpaste, alcohol, baby powder, mga ano lang. Tapos, favorite ko din to. Alagay. Deserve ko to. Madami akong ganyan. May mga iba pa sa mga ibang bag ko. May nakalagay pa Buhay ID Carrera. Mga mamaya na. Wala pa akong kape mga ganyan. So, yun lang. 5 lang, diba? Pero madami pa yun sa loob. So, that's all for today, guys. Bye!